After years of waiting, Motorola is finally rolling out Android 8.1 Oreo update to the Moto G4 Plus in the US. The company promised to update this device to Oreo back in September 2017 and started testing the OS in September 2018. As of this writing, the stable version is now ready to begin rolling out to the 2016 handset. The Moto G4 Plus road to Oreo has been quite turbulent. First, the device was omitted from the company's official Oreo update roadmap, but later on, the list was updated to include the device. Of course, this came after a backlash with owners of the phone, forcing Motorola to promise an update to Oreo would be released at some point, but they won't be in a hurry to do so since this is the second major OS upgrade for a device that usually gets only one. And indeed, more than 5 months since the release of Android Oreo beta, Motorola is now ready to begin the Oreo 8.1 stable update for Moto G4 Plus owners. The update includes plenty of Oreo-based additions like new multitasking features, improved notification controls, better data saver, enhanced battery management features, and so on. The same update also bumps the device's security patch level to December 2018, which, of course, isn't the latest version in town. Note that this is an OTA rollout, meaning it will take time before all Moto G4 Plus units get the download notification, so be patient as you wait for the update to arrive. This update has begun its rollout in the US and will soon reach all regions. We do not know the status of the Moto G4 for this update. However, seeing how the soak test was available for both the G4 and G4 Plus, we hope the update for the device is right around the corner. We are happy that Motorola is coming good on its promise, even though it is pretty delayed. So be patient, and, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching the video.